Hey guys, welcome to Four Seasons Westlake Village. We're staying in the deluxe king room. As soon as you're walking, you're greeted with the bathroom. Then you have the closet right here. I love that there's like these mirrors. You'll notice there's mirrors everywhere in here. But here is the closet. We've unpacked our things. We're excited to be here and just relax. And they gave us more than enough hangers for us to have. The bathroom has to be my favorite part. Oh my gosh. So I'm just so obsessed, but I think the star of the bathroom is honestly the tub. Like the tub, ooh, I cannot wait to take a bath. The mirror that they have above the tub, like this mirror is everything. I could do my makeup right here and it'll look so good. Four Seasons branded eye mask, love. We got a dental kit, toothpaste, mouthwash, shower cap, and all of this is complimentary. Literally anything that you can need, you can order on the app. Heard really good things about this brand, and this is the hand and body lotion. Oh, that's brand new, wow. Let's try it. Oh, it smells delicious. It literally smells like citrus. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, I'm obsessed with this brand. I'll put the name on the screen just because I don't know how to pronounce it. And then a Four Seasons signature, you know they're gonna have a separate water closet for the toilet and a separate shower. Let's take a look at the shower. This shower, honestly, to die for. I love that they have a little seat, and you guys know I'm obsessed when the shower also has like a handheld attachment to where you can really clean yourself well. Love this. We have Honey with us. If you see Honey walking around, our sweet girl, she's probably stayed at more Four Seasons than your average person. But here's the water closet for the bathroom. Always love that there is a phone in case someone's calling you. One thing that's so cool that they put in here is they put a TV in here. So if you want to be in the bathtub, you can watch TV. If you want to be doing your makeup, brushing your teeth, you have a TV in there. Absolutely love that. Over here is this little bar area. This is so cute. We have this bottle of Avalon wine. It's like an all organic wine. Cannot wait to drink that. Four Seasons is always gonna give you complimentary water. Open water is so good. They gave us some at check-in. Anytime you need some water, you can just put it on the app and they'll bring it up. One thing that was so cool that I saw is they have amber cups, you guys, charges. And so if you have something hot, it'll keep it hot in here. And I believe if it's cold too, it'll keep it cool. It's so cool that they have two of these over here. I'm like obsessed. Also, you have everything that you need for your coffee. You also have some snacks that you can get. There's a coffee machine if you would like as well. I'm gonna go downstairs and get me a coffee because they have a cafe. And also, if you wanna buy any drinks, they have that here for you as well. And now my favorite part is the bedroom. You guys, I wanna show you a pan just to show you how well they set this room up. I just love how they set this room up. I love that you have the two mirrors on either side of the bed, the drawing or like the art piece in the middle, and then you have the beautiful mountain view. Honestly, Four Seasons made me feel like I'm not even in Los Angeles anymore. I feel like I'm in another country, truly. Like, this is so beautiful. Over here is another like bar area. They have this restaurant called Coin and Candor, and this is like a gin tonic if you want to make it. They have a shaker for you and everything, which is pretty cool. We put our clothes in here in both of these. We unpacked completely. The Four Seasons bed, you guys, this is honestly the main attraction. If you live in LA and you just want a little getaway, I wouldn't even call this a little getaway, because this bed, you're gonna get some of the best sleep of your life. This bed is amazing. I love it. On either side, they have USB ports, and they also have like an outlet, so it's super easy for you to just plug in your devices. I love the seating right here. This is just nice if you want to put your shoes on before you leave, or just truly sit and relax, because I don't even do this. I can't do this. I will not go on the bed if I'm dirty, so this is the perfect area. Then another area for you to lounge, which I think I'm gonna write in my journal over here, because I'm looking at the most gorgeous mountain view as I'm sitting here. So think of me like journaling right here. So I'm sitting down and I'm journaling. I know it's gonna be so epic, so amazing. Now onto this view, you guys. So we're staying in the Deluxe King room, and so you can get a waterfall view, or you can just get like a regular view like this. And to me, honestly, I love this view. I'm obsessed with the mountain view, and I feel like if you're in California, it's only right to have a mountain view. Hope you guys enjoy this room tour. We're about to go down to the pool and just relax and have the best day. We're also gonna vlog that, so make sure you come back for that vlog. And remember to always do more of what makes you happy. Bye. There's 3 pools on property. This is the Serenity pool, which is attached to the spa. It's the adults only pool. It's such a good time. There's 2 hot tubs on either side, and during the day it gets a little packed, but it's so fun. We ordered food. We had pizza, oysters. It's a really good time. If you want it when it's a little more empty, go like after 4 or 5. It's not that many people there. This is the indoor pool, which is right next to the gym. There were a couple of kids here, but it was the least packed pool out of all of them, and it's nice that it's indoors. And then the Cove is the newest addition to Four Seasons Westlake, and the Cove feels like a whole experience in itself. It's huge. The pool is enormous. There's hot tubs. There's even the seating area to where you can like enjoy the view and have food. We had that same like mushroom pizza that we fell in love with. And also the gym was surprising because it had so much equipment in the gym, and then they actually offer classes, and when there's not classes going on, you can go in the studio and work out. 10 out of 10 on the amenities.